how to use Anydesk remote desktop made easy for effortless collaboration. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back to yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about Anydesk and how you can use this remote desktop made easy for effortless collaboration. Okay, it's absolutely simple. It's absolutely immaculate to use this. And trust me, you are not going to be regretting using this because it's an absolute game changer. So let's get into the details and whatnots of how we're going to do this. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go ahead into the Anydesk website, which is your basic anydesk.com, right? Now, once you go into anydesk.com, what you're going to do from there is you're going to go ahead into the, you could say, basic website, which is again anydesk.com. Better software, the smart choice for remote access. You can either download the actual, you could say, software for your Anydesk, or you can start an actual business trial for yourself. Now, both these things or both these approaches are pretty easy and pretty simple to work with, but I'm more of a trial person, and I'm going to be walking you through the actual fun trial that they have in store for you. So basically, let me first show you the significant pricings that it actually has for us. So you can obviously go into the pricings by doing this. I'm just gonna go pricing. I'm just gonna write that, and we're gonna click on this URL, and there we go. So here are your very basic pricings. There's a solo plan which gives you $10.90 per month. There's standard, which is $21.90 per month, and then there's the advanced plan, which is $57.90 per month. So yeah, pretty easy general stuff, and you can obviously get started with these. You can order things differently. You can order them now, order them in advance. Whatever you want. It depends on your working, and it depends on the account type you are registered with. So it gives you a lot of liberty to work with, and you can order these now because obviously you can't make the account on spot. You have to first order this, you have to pay for it, and then you can make an account. Like there's no actual free trial for these ones. So yeah, pretty incredible. But trust me, they're worth it. They are worth the money. They don't waste all of your money. So it's really simple to use these. But yeah, to use Anydesk, you actually need to download it. So you're gonna go into downloads. And here it says all platforms, all devices. So you're going to choose your platform. Like, let's say I'm going to download it for my Chrome OS, okay? Which is basically your Chrome operational software. Okay, so I'm going to get it on the Google Store. So it takes me to the Google Store, and you can actually download it to your actual Google operating software, which is, basically your Google browser. So we're going to click on install, and obviously it installs it to your Google extensions, and you can, choose devices you want to install it on. So yeah, pretty incredible, pretty simple stuff to get your head around. But yeah, to start things off, I'm just going to keep it low key, and I'm going to, download it on my basic Windows. Now, once you've initiated the download size is pretty small. It shouldn't take a lot of time for you to download. So we're going to click on save, and there you see it's only 5.3 megabytes. So we're just going to wait for that to download. And once that is done downloading, we are going to get into the detailed working of this incredible software. So as you can see, once your file is ready to download, what you're going to do from there is obviously we're going to go into the setup process. Now the setup process is really simple. You're just going to go into a few of the clicks. So you're just going to click on run, let's say over here, and there you go. That's it. Now you have your Anydesk running and going on. Now obviously, currently I am using it on the free trial. So it's going to give me that this is for non-professional use. We're only giving it to you to get an idea of how Anydesk works. So it gives us our address as well. So this is our address, and we can invite other people to this address to actually work with us. And you can actually add some remote address for other people in this section as well. So let's say I'm gonna copy this. You're gonna come up here. Let's say I'm gonna add this remote address over here. You can actually add addresses by adding them in this section over here, or you can discover other addresses from other communities that you potentially have. Now, this is a new session that you've created, and this is an address book that you could potentially have. But yeah, these are pretty basic, pretty incredible things to get your head around. You can also install Anydesk on this specific device. Now, this takes you to the installation. Obviously, I'm not going to install the whole program. I'm just giving you a general idea of how you're going to work with this basic software. Okay. And the fun thing about Anydesk, it's basically just, it's like TeamViewer, right? So you can work from one place to another place. Like, let's say you can sit in Australia, you can operate a system down in the United Kingdom. So basically, it's a remote desktop, okay? And this is also something like TeamViewer, but it's better for effortless collaboration. So you're just going to be sharing these addresses with your work fellows, adding their address over here. Like, let's say they have this address over here, right? So you're going to click on next, and it takes you over here. Now, if this address is not available, obviously it's going to give you this, but if this address is available, it's going to obviously request that address that, hey, someone is trying to join you. Now, if they get that notification and they allow you, then what's going to happen is you're going to get remotely connected to their address, and everything is going to be a piece of cake working from there. It's absolutely incredible. And Anydesk provides you with the best kind of things. You can, as I said, open up new different tabs for different comments, open up different address books, and add different entries for yourself. You can add entries by creating new accounts or registering for new accounts. And it's really incredible, really easy, really fun stuff. So yeah, that's all you're gonna need to do. Just go over. I'm just gonna back out of that. Okay. So yeah, all you're gonna need to do for this is just go to anydesk.com and go with any type of pricing or trial that you want to go with. Once you do that, go into your downloads. Once you go into your downloads from there, just choose the platform you want to download it on. So let's say I chose Windows, for example. And once you've chosen the platform you want to download it on, we're gonna go ahead into the basic working of things. So you have Chrome OS, etc. Like I did Windows, I downloaded it. Go to the setup, choose addresses, share addresses, connect with each other, download the actual app if you want to, and yeah, that is how things are gonna work. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching until the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.